Owu no gbe yo fe, ara ori oni bi e fi oko. Owu no gbe yo fe, ọmọ oni bi e fi ode. Awe do ni e fi ode, ọla te si yi an e ja ko. Bi yo. Ale baby yo. Anu ya yi. Owu no gbe yo fe, ara ori oni bi e fi oko. Owu no gbe yo fe ma oni bi e fi ode. Awe bi e fi ode, ọla te si yi an e ja ko. Sorry. Awe tori e fiore, ola je siji a e jako. Awe tori e fiore, ola je siji a e jako. Baby, asunu damaso, ọmọ ọkọ manolo eye. Baby, asunu damaso, ọmọ ọkọ manolo eye. Kàkà bọ́ kwalo tọ ẹsẹ̀, wà ló wọ́ sí gẹ́ni kéré. Wà ló tọ ẹsẹ̀ ṣe, wà ló wọ́ sí gẹ́ni kéré. Inawe ni yo bone wale nye malodo wa igiwe ni malodo wa kegi tulamu la wo igizo wale la guwa igita omu iya lobi iya wood esio que abore na laga ona wa pati me obi o wana ileze so ari munu yiyemwe ora ileze so ai munu yiyemwe owu no gbe yo wana manu to ya o Padre na we wo tini aga marwa we ukewu wa we kama yeli afia enia dawi yo body ati le no bi onwana na be ye ku ne ya we ni ma ari owa ima de ya tete ari egbera ije ne mere bi ya le wa so ni be anu nu be ni je lo ibe ati ari ele lo afia ni ati asete bi yo Iwe ri asunu dameso ori mo ko manolo kaka di jekele. Walo wasi di jekele. Ebi ni kana. Awe sunu dama anako. Ugu gari bijiya.
Volevamo fare uno spot che raccontasse di InfoJobs, ma forse abbiamo già finito tempo perché sta per skippare. Ma aspetta, non farlo! Se stai...
Ma fallo, grazie!
Arigwe maniwa, eya ido akwasa kwada. Ebi adidaro. Ebi nasuluwe niana. Adewi na wekwe sunu. Sunu wa lojo esese na pa ku gbogbo ma o na pa lewele jo gbogbo ma o iyo ma be si o ma dikin ero ma be si o ma dikin o wi yo ma o be we ko na ja kewe edekera gidi aido ye tete na pa lewele jo o be we ko na ya si o ma dikin ere ne je o edo ya pe ka we kese ka na mi o ere na ije ra na Casa le me uko, casa le me kaya casa game. Eya aginie. We ade pe moto no se we kade. Ye amo u, we ade pe we ye amo u. Oro mo ya awe. Bi o. Oro mo ne me ye me yo. Oro mo ne me ye me mo. Eya didaro yi. Oro mo ne me ye me mo. Usati we boss we la biyeme nudo alele me kuru usati seri bi ameti ke nudo alele me gbogbo iya mo hame o no ma oge baba o iya mo hame ma oge baba o ewe boss we la biyeme nudo alele me gbogbo o se ni o ma ya bi o be la biye we se o me ti ki me go you nudo alele me gbogbo o Uguamakuna maweki, rekumekulu. Nudora lele membopa. Dawe boso ye ibiame nudora lele membopa. Omanu wewa di yopo me. Usiedi no so au pepe. Le maso atoma imine. Oya afini bia ibadesiku. Uguamakuna maweki yoko. Uguamakuna maweki yosibe o. Aceito. Ukoma kuwa pano koma be piepi o. Aceito. Ukoma kuwa pano koma be piepi. Aceito. Ihuwe yo daro kolagi jeke. Aceito. Abi eno jabano koma be piepi. Soja. Uwa meno jabano we stagne raso. Aceito. Abi eno jabano koma be piepi. Aceito. Ihuwe yuru papo lage jeke. Ihuwe yo dugu po lago jeke.
Aceito. Waya wawese o yedo nuzomo. Na oe festa oga aloe. Wa wori metenu. Na when you get la jaba vana ni mabe ko we aloe. Oye mi talo te jono di sante. So me mai na ti ebedo. Wa here wa bebe nege kai abe tenigan me mi dijo bokan be nemi. Who is this? Do you want to come in and rejoice with me? Do you want to come in and rejoice with me? Waya baba baby nege this is Ileledo Talk Show. If you love this my talk show, subscribe to my YouTube Ileledo Talk Show YouTube channel. Ileledo Talk Show channel. Let me call my group member. Maybe they are learning something in that. In my group, let me call them in. Even let do not go when walare ire live video wala wa dia waya we se ave money en gbe money telebu even let do me o wa me wi ni o asunuja even let do me o wa me wi ni o asunuja ogwo asunuja eva asunuja Wagimasi koko bia besikana baba Wagimasi koko na do ni nyeno ma inyeno ma no mona ma era inyeno ma no mona ma Inye no ma hey maya gana Ivilele dome o Wagima si koko na do ninye no ma Inye no ma o no mo na ma Inye no mao ni magiana maije Inye no ma ei mama gana Ivilele to no go me inye no ma ei magiana mara ei magiana maji ei maya fe yana A topic in the only one can very short topic because here I'm with the ban later pero bebe no rije aje o kene ya gwan kan bia oni gwan kan emini atana kan ma hia fe no ru tagun kewe no geve wa bege the topic iba ikabe webege no pe ina we beware of unfriendly friend beni menije boyje me trust ma gbe wagbon na una ika wo se mo ki o una iwe mi opa no se de jimia one okan ma do atemi gbe me ki so ma ni si ma ni atagbe ri o ma na je pa sisi ka wa we no ma jimia oni aoni e me ya ge gbo ma ni so imi ile mata me mani bugwe not everybody that eat with you that laugh with you is your friend. That is a friendly friend. When I go better, but we omaro no go moku. Wa gbe mi biebi. Egbe ma be ni ma wa mu bo se. But to salobo ma hian yin no la no mi ma fa be gba bo se ni. Then abi alerun no salobo expose gba bo se ni. Oh we jo wa so that we do even no e ko ja alele hin e we ko do that is unfriendly friend. Friend that we even you will see that friend. It will be very nice if you're present like this. You discuss together a good thing. But that way. That friend is unfriendly friend. That friend, you have to beware of the friend. I will learn it boss a very waiver. If you can hear the Varuda or what a back here away or ya go over. I mean my name boss any webu was no mamma. Or say I still repeating it. Or say may keep the metal like webo up to today. Imagine cool. Emi agwa maka ba bananya gume mutiane. So I still remain with all those friends. All these new friends in our miena. They are fake. No gikwe mawa magi say we have 100 friends. He say oh say we bonike babash. If we only pretend to come into you, don't know how you be when you here. If no say na imiena iwa uni. Once we wa Tony when na we ba je. O ma na wa mwezu we get low. When ya it will condemn you certainly. But I say what no enemy your pan o ya defend you we. Oka wa condemn you when instantly. You understand? So e gba mo se ve ro ni wa beware of friendly friend. Only do eboti unfriendly friend. It can be your friend in your presence, but in your back, it can do anything to even kill you. So egbabo se ni ta wa beware. a small topic. I want to teach my members beware of friends, unfriendly friends. Beware of them. We have it in our group, in our that is in our friends. Because when you are friends, when you have about 8 of friends, 6 friends, you are group. Such people, you will select them out of the that is that is a video mark or when you have such friends, you delete them fast. Or who get deleting your life you wear. Deleting your when you life you wear so that the life you wear me now go smoothly. Or who get that is who are removing your dark wear. Who are removing so that me and I have a peaceful life. Because some people will come and make friends with you to know how you be when you hear. Okay, le mesha woto to weni ye gualo ye mion even ujiene. De ye do agwale mi no he asie zone wa. No me na to echo. But that notwithstand, but then we have to beware of such friend. You have to beware of such friend, my people, because osera gbona. E me yeke de ba keta mi me nwa be gbose betigi la we na do mi o se no favor me. Bu gwa bo se ni ya fefe. Anabo se ni ti today. I ma wi yan de kian. O gwa bo so abo se ni. E meje na. Ori e lodon na ku yo gwa na the same me carry the of was. O se e maga hi. Ike do ewe owo kan o teme ne kere no. We come from the same village. That is friend. That is friend. When my mother said there is no way in her place, be that a France Kegare, this man takes me in with the family. Although the house is very big, although one. But I spent a year and 2 months there without paying house rent. Let's be nothing. If I had nothing, it not be a winner. E man na start di me ina we bury era me ni mateka wu e ti mateka wu e beru de no mo na do buju gbe ana igbo ma na ina ye we ina we wu because e bury aka wu mo gu e na e gwebo. This must stand for me where sister if no gbera na do mo e do woru giawe ina koki go we na ya we bury ina be ko almost 3,000 almost going to 4,000 na be ya we bury the safe. That is friend. Then other way kind of advice me when mama be no winana okay to no ame nyokpa no wu ina we devin here you what we go be 250 every month no dey gyomo then me ru wona I save you go who the less you do pon the pato to na what to help na what ye ore no me yakeku aju we peti majo one day do azo susu. That is friend ona ke we body me yo susu why na ba osusu ni balo That is friend. Okay, agba me mari oni you go there now we make manu. And ebe obi ogwigo. That is friend. The Bible say gwalo not unfriendly friend. Igwa ma bo se we you know what is sister unwinana why you go unwinana awe eriokeke na we eriokeke. I have them because here I am in the pass through. I say na dele mudia yamagyo jari o me e no me la live video niki. I want to be happy every time. Also I mean man provoke me. I don't even get time for them. I go straight to my point. I mean you only je gwa we after lo agba me anya we ne do we ya me subscriber we ya me you go kere we YouTube. Say two e boy still remain here boy. If you like you condemn me here boy go reach next tomorrow. Always any I condemn me money cast we mami Yes, devil is a liar. And you know, what you will be. No matter how people will condemn you. That is the truth of the matter. No matter how people will condemn you in unnecessary thing. Il y a ma live video with you encore. So that is the truth of the matter. So I mean, why only work any working unfriendly friends? Stay away Stay away from them. Don't stay away from them. Stay away from them. Don't discuss anything with them. Do kind make the mistake at the end of the day. Don't want woman no. Stay away from that person fast. Imagine when we go anything no. I will bet for your mind anything a time because he's jealous about our jealousy way. When I saw him, when I wear. Instead of that person to praise you or to join you to repair that, maybe tomorrow have a favor in here, but no second. He will not do that. He will condemn that thing to no nonsense. Be yekuwe. I will condemn me ni be yekuwe. But now no we a boy ahwe. Wa can we be me no ko is your boy le wa ni re. But yegi oni. Better not destroy. But at the end, all the total will. Egeni anana we gbe yan ageni tete de bayan we today na be ni ka we na ije me na no ogume gware ma o ogwa we na me o ogwa we. That is the truth. Only e matter no ro. I'm a best friend in me. Iya we mi be Nigeria mo so mi uni ya. Ni abi yan sunuji na ni ma gba ko ke gbo ni ja la we bonare. E mo so mi uni ya na mi akan be mi awe mi me mana me we peri eri me. Igo kere mezene. No de katon anyi we varo. No de club ni ga jebe gani. Ikpe aniro. Wano hot to mi yana loba. Iyan telo e. No mu motore na mu motore. We better at the same thing. So it's good to be good. We better. You kwabe anon hariere. Ye boy a katon e motiva. Ye boy a katon e beer. Ye boy me 100 euro. Ye boy me 50 euro. No. I surprise me yanakba. So beware of unfriendly friend. I was saying Nikbokuta, I was lenia. You are free, but when I get una continue a friendship in your gualo with bomani. I mean, gualo, we mione, we come mine. But woman, you are free because my woman who take care when no bueno. Or say, Osaba, we have been and will be yet to deco day after fair. Osalobo have been and so we all have to beware of unfriendly friends. It's a very way topic now. It can't be we no pay. It not be when. Yeah, they will continue to way. It will not stop today. It will still be going. So that neither teaching me teach you what go me. You have a like group in a band. If a teacher again. When okay, in the yata walk okay. Now you beware of unfriendly friends here, and you have a no woman now. Why be a call? If no keke, it will not be aware. Oh, akabama, eri ma akabama si wan aware. Oh, yeah, mangari egbe ma mako. Ege mo esonu weko. Ogagu we aru webu. Ebe nu hia ya akin egbe. Okina o ja o. Ona do ende. Merigwa kinegbe o. Merigwa kinegbe o. Omano gbama agwa maru webu. Merigwa kinegbe o. Merigwa kinegbe o. Nokpokpa ma agwa lemi. Ojinora ma agwa lemi no wi. Merigwa kinegbe o. Merigwa kinegbe o. Eri ma kabama si wona wege no pe. So emini abihan aberi maniga atage ni no defwa error. So ni mala gogo ni ma beware of unfriendly friend. Ima wa beware because or still where o lerun or say so they will be happy with you where waiting happy with you or where when eri matter about where what's say asin one e barako beneri fi awujo ma o or wait take gbe biribiri or where o ma e ma soro o ga igbo o ga igbero ma ne o su wi ko do afinu e odo afinu wiku odo afinu and if na ni you where you have already condemned you at that sin. At the end of the day, story of you can do atamwe. So such friend, una re bege, una re kupa bege, we ave gui, or why we need the many why we do women ni why we to them who can bet. Or you never know engage. Eri wa clear, we no cache. Eri clear, who set him take be where my who set him will take the women, who set him come give me na. Then where you yourself, you will look for your best friend to suggest that thing with. To suggest him, no, I suggest him, man, where yeah, no, yeah, man.
No way, what you want is.
Wala go ile live video wa ga gwaje din wala go wa disturb me na me din call wa wese so no when the gwaje sin nu wala o emi no ma mie o ma ya bo ma de we ga be mie we be ti me we be ya bu mo de emi agbon na odo akian ne me we la fina a mie mi ni gbofo eje so kwa o ma na iga ogugwe nugwe ti ogugwe nugwe motekugwe ma o ma ni na ju agbofugwe je mi nugwe wu that person is a wrong friend to you. That is the truth of the matter. Don't ma be ro no be ribu de ne ma egbe ma ni very oni unfriendly friend ni why we call why we gume be I advise me ma understand ibude nu wariere e me hian be lele why we be minita na iye minita ma ya fefefe mi ni da doge emi ni mebeta na we amo e wo say unfriendly friend na ma ya mo e wo say no gwa mi ewe ogwa ose we ose no down were gi gbafo me o were gi popo me o were gi gbafo me o ose no down ase si won ni we gani ose no down. But when I get gbafin you say no down. You can be my friend here. My wa gun say my wa can what's what the phone you talk. How we boy? E gwa mi gwa we mi jo iyo sa e bo we live video you na we live video e bo we group na we ya we group was mi jo da gu no gu e ri o me ba gu ai gwa ai me ga gu o ma gbi me o se de ni me gu o gba so e imejita o e to sa lo ba ka gbe dere no because e ge me na kun mi me ga mo picture e ma wa gu o gba o ma na gbon na hina e gbe gu o gba wa gbe na hina bi do ma no bi menu. So that means arrivederci o mewu imi boy ya wu osegeni ya wu but be no eje na salo bo ma ita so o man no na nyegbe bie ese ti gbime o so o ma ro no me no taje me unfriendly friend be no keke na ya agwegbe e ma veri o bia o ihu ni du egbe kini da ogwa okpogbe unfriendly friend em be ni me wa gwan na nia e ma so wa call man si iye boy gu ego ogometeta o ogwe mi no ma mi o ya zere deba emi asunu dama uwe ya we a drama ra u ya we live video o una mi no be sunu da e ma we yes one call whereas ogometeje o ogomekwa be laja we na ikabeta be last week me a video ni we ni make topic ni make una ma gwa ka unfriendly friend I watch a video ni retire so no matter can we maybe rudin or rudono na we I'm just doing it on my own because it can't we continue our topic now unfriendly friend stay away from them umanae or ma betuna yene run away if not it will put you to mess or the way you mess because emi bu even ukwe me na keka ukwe gbe na beni me kwa jena ogwa gbo ma vo we hai we ese we shogo ese 52 years in otani o ma ese get of ajo ese we ma na jena 60 years ogwaje we ma bi je gun dead of live video we 55 years oje oni no my date no bi obi here o ma o bi ere ma Yes, 60 years of work by now. Then maybe they married 10 years any or 15 years on a BM. Tatoya BM with 12 years in America could be with 10 years in it. Or Igbavoy Waro. So no where ya Gbavoni. What's a man Ladan when Dolic Beweshi? They a man wete why every dog do Yako Wedo, Ajavana, no, you are where you are none when I'm Mudaga, when I will work with the Jimeno 75 years the next year. I don't make where you were. No, I have you better make friend with that person. Oh, my way now, where? Oh, where you are? Well, I'm not too much. But you're not a plus. Even man, okay, plus or work more. Why call me calling you or done? Before you know it, who you been a gidget boy? Who you been no, I have buffo. Who you been a gidget boy? Well, because yet come away no have because my problem in the past through. Maybe it's the canny because he may not who been passed through. That is the truth of the matter. So call him, eh? He come away where give no keken way, they no keken way. Then udo de okay. Osalopo wa jemi ya pony show ma be dagmo. Be di mai be mi go na. I ma be bi omo no bu. Osalopo na be di ku egbe no be ma be me ku kan no ne Osalopo ya blessed that dog. E ba na mi gwe no polo. Who am me 12. Who am me 50 something. Who am me yin. So emi ku kan. Osalopo ya blessed that dog. Osalopo ju ku egbe me ya jime. Ni me keke. But he me go. Omo pa keke me. So ina be ameje. Ofo bueno bovije boy we polo gbe iye boy ije o omo se gbe o okorin ogbe o akon ye zagazaga bunu o ije o oma je Nigeria 40 years no like we bo o ma wono now. Don't do that. Call him, eh? Maybe some we give na kian eh. See give ni make you give me eh o. We you go gba di o by for my kweku gbe my to be a greater women. My do ki oku no kwa. My do oku no kwa. Ere ya nyema gbona instead of you to be unfriendly friend. Instead of you to be unfriendly friend. Why say can you jo la lo megbo but why was you we deal with oku na. You deal with eze na lie. Osalopo we good bina. Ye boy. You are fighting with my God. Emi and meju move your adagbon we lele gbina because that dog me no do move your adagbon. Me ni meju move your adagbon. We me ni we do move your adagbon. That dog my ya fe ma me ni maju move your adagbon. Now the truth of the matter be that. Name your pa no do move your adagbon but ejo we eja mo go ma be area. Ruda eti no gugwene ogo ma be me. That is the meaning of unfriendly friend. Nu we ame peace. Ni maybe ame peace wo. That is the truth of the matter because that dog you eti no gugwene ogi me. Ogi no pa me. Be no Salopo ya ji ma ya fe. Or me mission in my yado whether you like it or not. You cannot escape it. What you escape eh? Or where you can run, you cannot hide. Or God said any, God will rise you up to do it. Or te wemu. Or I te wemu go do then uswa we na ani. Even when nobody can change it. Because osatane. Osagata. Tase osagata imara mi miefa. Tase osagata imara la godao. Tase emi ya no sawi mara kia o. Tase emi no salobata no dimo. Nobody can change it. He can try but he cannot succeed because osalobo agmo ejivane. Osalobo iya beta we ne iwe oga bowa. Ne iwe ki abowa ebo oga do bo we rio ewu talk yon. So agima beware of friendly friend. On a Ilele Do Top Show, I teach Edo we man e mama e. So there doni mama e ni ka ona pase jo na tememu. Anybody cannot bring me down. You cannot bring me down. No oh no lot to leg bana yana with the boy. You cannot do it because any cow equal down a waredo eitemu. Aredo eitemu. Hello. Il est live vidéo. Ah, ok. Nous avons collé les caméras aussi. Ok, j'ai quoi? Hello?
Come on,
Yon j'ai un bavant.
Baba, mommy.
Yo.
Mommy, we're friendly friend. Yeah, contribute.
Yes.
Oh, Senor, guy.
C'est Nick Baba.
Put our Senor Baba. Yeah, I don't know.
Yes.
Oh, Senor, no ọrụ gwuwere ịmana manuel ọrịa vesi ọrịa bujere sịrị ya ama etu ọmụ seto na weni no manu weni ọmụ to no mo discourage we na ni uwe
Yes.
no ti no drop so ewe alago dao
Oreva.
oreva no ku ku awe no emi o mi ege ya iwe
Emata.
Ọ̀nà àwọn friend. Ọmọ àìgbá kókó náà rí lè gbọ́ sẹ́ni bí wọ́n sẹ́ni mímọ́ náà manú ẹ̀ẹ́dùn ẹ̀bí ọ̀rẹ́ níbi ẹ̀yà mà ẹ́.
Yes.
Ìgbẹ́ni ẹ̀rẹ́ mẹ́rí èdè àrẹ pàṣẹ wá kó ayé àpò ẹ̀ klọ́ọ̀bù náà.
Yes.
Ẹ̀ẹ́dùn àwọn àrẹ pàṣẹ wà rẹ̀ pàpà bàgẹ́ àkíyá. Ẹ̀gbá bá sẹ́nu ẹ̀rọ ṣe é gan yàn yàn sẹ́ni gbọ́ màá sí yóò sẹ́ni gbọ́ màá sí yóò má mẹ́.
Yes.
Nínú ayá ẹ̀ lè pàṣẹ ẹ̀ nínú ayá ẹ̀ klọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀yà gbọ́ màá sí yóò ẹ̀.
Yes.
Ẹ̀gbá sẹ́ni àrìyè fún wa.
Kakabo.
Any of friends. Or Senego Mazira Gbo, Senego Maziu, Senego Maziu Mame. Only a contribution woman.
Weseje, Iyan Salobo Adebawe, Weseje, Wese. Iyan J. Bege, Osenegwa Maziu Mama Gbo. Egbawo Seni, unfriendly friend, Yaki Abagegeri, if what delete. Ikure Germany o ade o, Ikure Japan o ade o, Ikure nenemi o ade o, unfriendly friend. Awa lene gbabo se ni. Awa lene ya because he mejo boni ya je no ma. Where all those things ote make come happy or see o magijeke. Why is it the lazy? Egbe iwowe. And the lazy the worst part, a lazy will not spend 2 years. Why we egbe joy? How we ajelu na. Ajelu na ose ona imi ekponi megi seni aba badana pono be kiyan ne espaja wa wa be ri e lati apona wa be so awa be kabae but oge lesi o mekele lesi se okay ashoke owure o ashoke bidi age bidi bugbe kobodu ni yawe be de bidi ruwe ba igore ya eya dashoke ina bide u pana wajo ni orugbe luggage mema ijaji ni apa shoke ni yere ni ya eso na da shoke 170,000 euro naira 170,000 naira 200,000 naira na ya da shoke na bi de be to de nko ashoke don go pa mente igele ni wa be igele na be unu igele be e ko be ri otore but onu it is simple so wa ri o wa gba lo e wa ko zi ojo igele e ko ri otore orere ni meme live video gi ja un me magi joji kude me magi beji ku ya bejo megi muju because egi je me because o take wa je me o ina wa be kiri go e ko lugu gan so tai be ya gi me live video we igele iwa ro koki ya iwa mo ju iwa ejo ere o te bere na be se be gani e me na gi ban na me magi o imi akin awure ni a igi fi igwe la gogo bi me we gwa donu bi de be ori egun ya me no kino jo mo eri gi gwa lese megi so erioje so igbabo se no si wele le gbe very oni kabe ne sister me na ka eban best friend you were because gwa le emi no matter we unfriendly friend wagima beware because when it get time na ona ya gba gbava ni ewe topic ni na ani aje continue je be awe gba mi o ma ni o ma we DJ na DJ ni yewu ni gwegwa egwe ogwa gwunwi na ni nu gwe maybe o ma na say we atagwe ite gwa le DJ and the DJ no sugwe no I want it to we ikuni ate kune ite gwa le DJ A DJ not a waroma or a DJ me and we Johnny Jaw any go. I will buy it for your mind. Just a jealousy go near walk where we go in Latin America. Just a jealousy. Introduce someone George who are evil. A Baba on a lene. Who may so condemn man or money. Who condemn a DJ, condemn even I can be kuni. It's very bad. Even not back. Then the real musician machine. Our musician and yam, any guacuni, ha, Jenny Jawi, I'm winning ya. I'm winning any mabi cool. Any canning wine and I'm any zarren up with my bag here. Umesha would divert money here, I need a nigga money. You are evil. Then, everyone on friendly friend, maybe when Metana, when next year, my camel let the top show ladia. Me as well, the advertising with the advertising with the advertising. Everyone want me one year for. Iye boy avere ku gwa je po gwa gba le po kian o me so we kuni ogia e ma be ri mi wa eni gwa bun be mo na ogwa ri ipu ikuime o ma ni meti ogi be ra kole ma gwa wa ri kuje boy ba ya wo but I hear everything the people still tell me gwa ma no ga we but I just overlook because if we go manager we pay there again oro ipo mo sa lo pa we emi ameni me ku mi gbegbe nu hu me na je say 50 years. Because I can't charge me, but I don't know the system no me where me I get 2 years by then you go. In a way, Kakabo, me now we are go. But in a come where 2 no ne deal. In a come where was Salopoa, but we know me make better don't call since 2003, but me not here the now. Or jam we pay any big. Or here I buy 55. Ni me ame wo be gbe o be so ni be 55. A better 55 years me am a musician va me mudere na mo di job baba me ni me kai ko musef e cultural nani ma wa we na lele do cultural o kan play ba ni be dere the ba musician be ya lele do kan play ba ni so what the gbofo for na information lele do is cultural and musician e mari so e deni ma kwiku na wa latian wa do ge ma bege be no kechi ya okay she ya we live for stage ogede egbegbe ni ma here movie ma can sing on the stage as a musician that very day so what okay oh hey ya gaga gwa be mi be YouTube e camera di pun abi areba no gwa ya ami so nobody can stay benene o salon boa ba bu su man ma ewu ni ma ekwo ma ni bi elele do we are going to surprise people in this Italy where il est le dotier and if no get le concern il est le do e me ni je boy ki an wu me we o keme seko we ije me 11 no e line ko na do lana o me be no je o karoto me ke la o e me wa la na we ni ki an wu ogo me so do na be agbe ma vojo e wa ni e ti yari un liri no wu me ke wo gi me ru da le ru ne no popo ma ogwe no popo ma wu egbe oko ma. Now the truth of the matter, so unfriendly friend, beware of them. So next year, by the grace of God, June, July, you people should come to our show in Brescia City. Many man are telling me, he heard him like Rene, why do beg give? About a it's a illegal. Eminima wedo eiwo eset aredo eseti wi aredo eseti wijima egima egwije egima yeye mebe kwe. That is the truth of the matter. Aredo egwijima bo. So unfriendly friend majeje do na anything no contribute your way mama owe direct ma we e side be yan na gwa be ge side na ra gwa be ge side na wako. Unfriendly friends, stay away from them when you know them, because some people will pretend as a saint, but at the end of the day koko when you go back koko when you phone sa koko when ye yane o saifwa ikpo we ga igwa we do agwo be no yen ga ku we amu we no ya gwagwan akaka mi ya ni talo ma odo to ya na but uzi egbe ne no talo it will only rain 1 day 2 days or ikpe ne cha arrivederci abe we e maybe akondem wesef abe gwe bon abe kun se dan akisha yi o se gwa we gbe yan na ma be gbegwe ne wa de do atalo wa mi no do talo ma me be gbe we sin na o sagbon sha na so You are indirectly condemning yourself too. And that's what I will, you know what to tell me when a matter says, so we will say, Donkey, I'm my won't. My vagan, my ganebo. My cabo, where ye may ye get him, where ye get it. Ediona, E.G. I said that I won't palerum, we say. Bido, allo, I don't palerum, we say. Now the truth of the matter, but Nicholas, if they buy a door, like. Nigga, door, like dog. Hero washer. No man, no me no when no me contribution when no call. Unfriendly friend. Osalo boy gi mamo ebe ose o we ni Jesu Christi no mi wafan. Osalo boy gi mamo ebe ose o we ni Jesu no mi wafan. He said no deal. Osalo boy gi mamo ebe ose o enaya malerun e o we ni Jesu Christi no mi wafan. Ni were gbe si won me bi je me Ìrílé lẹ́tọ̀ mẹ́ o, àgìyù wà sọ́lá kan ilé lẹ́tọ̀ mẹ́, àgìyù wà sọ́lá kan ilé lẹ́tọ̀, àgìyù wà sọ́lá kan. Mo pọ́n ro ẹ̀mẹ́ mo bọ́, mo pọ́n ro ẹ̀mẹ́ mo bọ́, fẹ́ mo bá tẹ̀sí etí ẹ̀tọ́, ọmọ etí ẹ̀tọ́ wíyàrá màá jóre. Mo pọ́n ro ẹ̀mẹ́ mo bọ́. Mokmaro me maba te fiete to go magete to wijare magajore wagi mansi koko nazo ninye no ma inye no ma no mo na ma Inye no mao no mana maize Inye no ma hey mama gana Aje to te baji kinegbe tebo Imosaje yagwala Ọgbà wa méjì yé kan ètè bo agbóhàn yé rí ẹ̀gẹ́ bá tánà oko. Dènè ni mú ẹjọ́ ni wẹ́gẹ̀ kúnjọ interest. Ò jẹ́ bọ̀ yìí. Nà wá o. Nà mímí náà sáwé náà gún àníyàn wà mú hàn. Wà gún à. Mú nà sí analyze am for us make we know wetin dey. Ni mawe beno keke na ya beware of friendly friend here. Unfriendly friend. Ose nikpo gwima. Ikpo gwi wa valo. Wa idi ogwi noro ne. Udo kakpo gwi noro uri. Edenu ame ave fie ko e. Wa we adikpo gwi wa be se uya lo mo ne yo. Uri e. So kwa ikpa ba e wa salo. E me ba gaja oje bibi gbobeju ikpo eni ya le lu mo mege ni. Maybe no giajawu. I tija we me rock by my people. Unfriendly friend. Or bege we jukmo. Hey good. I was so upon mejona nia. Itala we nakpa o gan ni jona nakpa go re wa na. Ye met no ma ya ni go na ye met. Ono pe ono na ni go ya do tero. Onabo tero. Ya do. Ogbetu jesi ni kejo e. Tero okonu ari echineze nu ya dupmo benu jaja mu egbe ake we je mu egbe ti gbe juju e ma soro oju pe 10,000 ya mu egbe o pe 10 million ya mu egbe ogajo oje na ge jonki we mi mono pe na tejo mo wari edian yeri edian e ba no na wa mi no la chineze no wa de gane 5 euro wa joy ya akin ajo na mege yo we o mi egbe no kana mu mi o mu soje bo lokun. That is the truth of the matter. I get gbofo e me mi no kin legbe la agun me pin won na iṣẹ́ tita lo ni ka we ge kun ne we gbe total ni analyze e fun Hello, ma. Hello, Jay.
I will contribute a bit.
Go on, Jay, madame.
I'm a friend. If you are to tell my performer, or your man, or wait, see us well. Or so way up in now. While we are talking, all we are talking for a secret, our back it, or we are not to equal.
Yes.
I'm working out wedding. No, I didn't have a young one way. Obviously, was your anyone. And then I was going to remain and also, yes, I saw a but we dying when I need 10 on 1. You are about the because I always said,
Kakabo.
So I hadn't won. Oh, no, man, free way. You want to not boy or not boy. I want to talk to your best friend or don't tag you. A secret in your home about way up while I disable. I always said, we want to
Kakabo. Ugbena fig bokuta no we gbe dabo ma no fi e deri oje ni ere ma gbona ji. Ogbe ma gbona. Oki oli. Wa se network wa zu ore teme. So aye bo ni bun pa yin la ere. So when it had when a system agun eban. So e de na boyin ori o ma e deri abo re gbon maruda. Ugbena fig bokuta no. Ogbe gbe bo no fi e de. Ni jogi je me we example. E ga ni ji me ya mu mi ari e ko gba ka be deri ona. Why I get the committee? E maga eni amahi amai kenamu geo ki menoga ki menamure o kenomu gioma o e boya no rugwe managa e iko o we no kaige o ahun kekegwe o wa bi oge iko right eri ma ya ga be boni na gbon be mi ga tie ni. That is the truth of the matter. Ruda boss ye o ma no digin ago ni sere. Isanoroge abugbe aye seke also na mi o ma gun egun abi live video na ologo ke we gbe reply mani ye ti reply when o kan o gbe bejo gugu ekun igori eyepo ime bejo gi mekun igori eyepo so ima ya ja kun igori eyepo so understand ya de YouTube na gun banana igo kere be ala o ni me na egwa be YouTube na ime na short ya so agwan na YouTube pana 10 cents abi alarm but before you know it when it with drama na have 10 euro is something it take okay 10 euro for 1 month now I say maybe I subscribe you give a jige salary me I subscribe so anybody am we matter go or anything you can say it or man you losing here because as only why ga gwe na na ari ye bokere be ti na ari ye be ti ke no take ya ma ya ga vi obo ma ga bo ani bo ni buma weti wa motagu menia ni meta. E say when madam go sleep, you not get work. Or be a man in here. E say when that woman a bad woman a useless woman. E ma ga eni ke no mo zore o ke na boyena o ki menota. Ma ye ma ka bo. Ah. Na only be obe kegbe. Be ni me ye anybody e mu me lati. It's say. Oga e meri e dos me ya stop e. Ya wa on ya we je bo wani mo bogbo we de we wa get e. Obi ere be gwali ge pe we. Obi ye then why when do are the comment section. U do age eva abuye egbo imeni mu aka eva abuye pa ibumi ade Mike ogai kere ko we Mike ogai unfriendly friend wa me no atayo ko be ni invite ko ba we egbe ma video no na do notice ene stay away from that person gbagbe ne montage boy gbagbe ne imagwe nu tu lemu no ale kan no o se wa ye ki bet u do mem yeso nu ke gya concern you Ugie emie so no ke ga concern you emi ya ye na to bobe call wo ri onu wete wa le le kan we o ge be di mateje ge bi no so nu ge bi ni u ge ondo you cut it off fast because make wejo because anytime my agbezo we my we take action on it because o magi like you we magi you we no kaje any unfriendly friend but o ma no gele o si we ona gele be no osimene ni mende we go o kan o te we na mo ezi megeba o we mudia go me call any no ta be no ta ne ye ke do sete me ni bi ye ki me megi yen ye call me we we mi nu na me matele ka o beti gunya guane igwo ma ni guane mi ya seto ne mo la gogo we yan na no fure aro That is your best friend. Only your best friend do well. I will tell where you na me go go na we dey ka we ni na ka na ma. But oge we do ta we edu ya we o agwagwa eri agwaja we when I wear very only eri manager but not they accept that. I will let you say on my me yama. Benu tell you I will call me back and say that thing. He me tama we na. E we bo my yaje na. O ye do my ya. No fit de gberu gwi marok. So if you are afraid to unfriendly friends, stay away from it. From that person, I'm saying the truth. Me wa mo eno bun. Iya ibe do get me because me anle lo se kin ori o me ne gba ki e wa. Emi no iro me gbe ya fefefe itale ya my bet. Emi kere na jo ni san ruwa ni san. Me anle lo se kin mo to gwale mi o pa. Ifu ya se gbe group ni me vie bo lele. I gwale mi o pa ni ja ni ge kie ni yan wo ma no ki wugwe ba. Ona ga ma no ma. O e ko ri egbe o. Ona ga esu, o gwa de gbe latian. Igbe me no we wa egbe me no we na ye mi ni wu. Ah, why make it alone? Because I want to know who you are. I when you share. And when you share, I might leave you, but or maybe yes, so no we can even no soon. Because in your woman winning, that is me for you. A Facebook in a money we present now. Ebo ya ate ere na tala o ere na we evangelize o ere na fe evangelize o no evangelize mi no miota mi no mi no na mi no miota wa ka ki o na ga ijugba ni ko we live video wa he gbeje gbugwa wa he gbeje gbe wa he la no mi o dowo me do e si go moda e to ri maropa o ave ke ti gwe no ya ta o mata ko. But everybody bon pick as on face. What good? No, not the truth of the matter. Or when not the matter. Oh, mammy, boya yiko. No, me boya yiko ya to oge digo. E presenta na be no se me ka ege Suzy. Or when no we no man no ro. O salobo a bless e kan ye man na no we dan. What's here? Entertainment no. Egeni. Wa when no ko ogwa ikosunu be village city ni me ma ni me gba yen no okwo ni wo gwa guji be dem social media na renegani ejuli ga guju wo gwa live o e ko ruru pa e ko la live video be ni me je na ya gwa la group me ma gba ta lo gwan e wa tu ya ke ya mi o ja gbi o me te gbe me be ri o de be gbe seniora iberu lepo e o pa. O ma ro pathetic bi man we live video na at all. Ma mi o boja wu. Ma ro pa mi o boja wu. Wa kan gbi mai. Ma wu. Ma mi o boja wu. E o baba mi ni be ajere majere ya ta vida sun si o. E baba. I will do a short video for that later in the day. Short video can wa ni I understand the man son wala ho unfriendly friend wa lenia was a nick baba emi no ke ya gbere bi ka ya fi gbe bi bai ogui we mi bi ka ju gbe ball ogui gbe ball de awawa ruda ije ga iri ne no ri ona mi opo o ya kai eden wa mi agbo ya viola jamu wi po pado asele ado lo ni aya lu won me aya re maye o aya re baye o. Stay away from unfriendly friend. Or say, na mwezo wegi egwa ata. Or de bayani ya kuwe ke gba ma be lo ni. Wa le kian. E mu dia or egbe be lo ni. Or pericoloso benita lo kai. Or risk ala shi ni me fisi na be na wa no wa egwi. Cause ono na boy ma don le jise. Why worry? All not the same, all join. Hello.
Iye boy one international. Iye boy of the universe.
Newtie.
Oh, tanu mure na oge debu mota. Oye na me we wagugun of lady friend.
Okay.
Ni giving me my experience. or sit down and lily. Mare again, we were classmates, the school. Mana do ari do work when I tenant doing ma. Mana manya one already doing ma, so we were very close. My one and only sister, or her beer on our but money ragbo.
Oh, sorry.
So, at the Nigeria, she was with me for good 1 month. So, about very mama have a year moto. Mana we ina only do to ni mo because ya we ni vie make na ye o ma yo mana move for.
Yes.
Osime na o ga agui meru wa. E ma ga vie me a different types of otore. Nya yo gi me ya o sit down mi. So again o later pa do come me o we give o we do to wa do ko to ke pe tin amu ya pari wa yo se wa ri gbeke. You and no very walk out do you were going see me. Auto in a walkie. The Otoni was cheap, was 450,000. Something like a Kaima, I don't know. So when you were born, then in a way, Matagilino, in a Dori, a vessel only where the Mayare Webu. May Mamma how good you may have seen you talk. Never to take a vessel again. Or steam in a garriba. And I am motor and I move here. You tell me or you had damn it. Even if you damn it or see. Who your boy will see. Or say, or moon will be or see where. Or Samuel say.
Yes.
So, make it clear America say Nigeria no daily. I'm not going to and I give what daily is all see me. And I'm delegating and I will shopping again or say $100. Jọrọ paro wa me for good o ma yo wa for good 1 month ogunwe okun we mi ya me na ore mi le sokuse bude iya boy ni ye me wa fly back to America ona wa aka mo se mo we ogwe ko emu ma we ni ma we go se ma na amu fite ige Osme na we how do tie me owo be ke yo bo gbe we ge na I tell you why faje vagbon ine because we o ma me o wana tell me o give a marry wa if no time we ona dey accurate believe o mani
yes
o we ni ma here o to no pari o yo bo gbe we ri go ri no na me go mana amu ti me no si mana amu fite e ku emu ma ina we ure wa ene mata no owo wa emu yin owo ni owo wa no tie owo ni proving it right ena what you saying ni owo yen mata e ba ni me na e ma so at e ma so yen ti yo bi yan vembo
ija carbon e to po wa je obi yan ya vembo ye du yan vembo
owo yen agele temi na de don't wa yo bi vembo ina wo ki again na rema we heavy ta wo ma be ta ma me no sunu ko se ni ahan do to owo yen na wo ki we no sunu connecting my value like a WhatsApp, YouTube, no, man, I connect. Or when no be so you tell me, say I will get money rich, will not figure. No, you only wow. It better to say the same. In our block WhatsApp, in our block every Facebook, in our block in everywhere. All smell do have me where ni time away on a bata. Every will not have a boy. In our way, we're doing money, not have your woodwork away. Cannot tell me, Mel. Kosimeo ina wa munya yi back. Yes. E na yichi o stay ina delete every life me. Me ye Nigeria back to back. Ma wo emi egbe. O ma je we ni epu me ade. O zero ni we do yin ya me na we never. Wo se na le we ga arriva we ma ga temuto. O me ti zenu nu me. We ge no sunu. We na ipa ya we be ni ma me go so me ti de to na mu yi meji. Inherita owo ye boile mi osema of you where or see where
yes
of you where is your best friend you can emotional but of you where you confide in your children that is the best friend
yes
that is my short story o ma pa ni me yawo say imawo egbawo e ma mi egbe ore Facebook iba I mean we need time concerning because why or dealing or experience or in a booking in no geomani no in a booking Aria will say, hey, your age mate, they will mislead you, they will be laughing at you.
Yes.
Oma buwe, no me na bohine, or ateme ma, or hui, only ya will say. People that have an experience than you,
Yes.
you confide in them. They give you a, if you so wrong, so if my water female, I'm what to go I will boss only with ye. Mufwa on the enemy rockma. Oh, what go echo what you talk. That is my real role model. That is Susie.
Yes.
I love you so much. Right? My role model. You have version where you may. In my home, no matter. Oh, where he made me talk about. I have confided in him. That is only man.
She's a nice woman.
Facebook. Mami eku. I have learned with my mistakes. I saw my bava.
At all.
Or sit down. Or say, man, or say, man, you are all your book. I get best friend. There is no best friend. There is no best friend. And when I love this topic, I'm still watching you. Mariwa, what's it?
Okay, ma. That is my baby from America. Go to hand here, my mevena zeboni America class. Inside where I don't guaro da video of a video me no keke ni gwa ka miamia. So mamia me iji man because she's a great woman wesha I want ya do we video kena otangbene. I will just repeat that one short video for our mommy. So I know when it's at say stay away from unfriendly friend. Or say what time mama waga doto or tere inyaga simioto inyagamu. At the end of the day, they talk only go for my experience. O Tony ali ekuwa ya doy. Because o mama and eke away the baby I may be deceiving way. Now the truth of the matter, they talk way surprised of what he bo wide Tony. Ye de test story ma we ye wa ga yo sin opana we ri ono ri ye do test story o wa bo wajo but o ma be agu ye be hoho o ma be agu e o ga e mata no ru hu e na so e mana topic in e mano ka mena ya dewu igbewu and this month ending again the topic is coming back. Ruda emesola emesoge emesoro say yan gi man me yan gi YouTube e so pa anesin oga ti ma we mi ba ma mi 70 ama we 60 ni ma mi na but na gi ta tota na ni yan te ogeti aso ni o ma bo ma ro pa ba gui o say gi ma bo ma ro pa ba gui in Jesus name. But I just said last week with the last video where my our friendly friend we wiki na ma be gun kan okay ke ni ma wo mi school ma na okay ke ni ma wo mi kakabo nu wala ogugu so while the me ni tana unfriendly friend. Hello baba ko we watch me. Watch me mommy ni no fida ni me ma yin ni me ma jere ya kata ke la obon la wo wa ti gbegun me. Okay wa keke ni ya gbon because he has stop on na ila we because na do tag no dey na me ye ke me gi do taji. Yeah, we short one babe. Ah, okay. Ma later. So when ma ta de ban agbon ya orin ma we mi agbon ya orin ma de ologo le wa gmeri music opayo ni maya age gbe biribiri ni nije po ni a nije pa age gbe biribiri a yes or no mo na raxan yes or no age gbe biribiri ni pe ni we gbe pe that one too sweet for inside do we gwa lo Let me look for Agegbe. Viri Agegbe. On friendly friend, I be one as you. Let me see. Kobenoga.
Con gli sgombri grigliati Rio Mare, ogni giorno è buono per un secondo di pesce. Rio Mare, c'è un mare di possibilità.
We'll share a video now because it's on the phone.
Celui-ci, Jean, c'est super.
Souvent, elle.
Le philosophe. Vous êtes à défaut. Là, on est pris de pas.
Owó náà gbé yóò fẹ́, ẹ̀rọ òní oníbi ayé fi òkò. Owó náà gbé yóò fẹ́, ọmọ oníbi ayé fi òde. Awẹ́tọ́ oníbi ayé fi òde. Ọ̀rọ̀ àtẹ̀sí yíyan ẹ̀yà kò. Bìrìbìrì yóò. Àgbègbè bìrì yóò. Àánú yàrá yìí. Owó náà gbé yóò fẹ́, ẹ̀rọ òní oníbi ayé fi òkò. Owó náà gbé yóò fẹ́, máa oníbi ayé fi òde. Awẹ́tọ́ oníbi ayé fi òde. Ọ̀rọ̀ àtẹ̀sí yíyan ẹ̀yà kò. Awẹ́tọ́ oníbi ayé fi òde. Ọ̀rọ̀ àtẹ̀sí yíyan ẹ̀yà kò. Bìrì yóò. Ya when me ari owa imade ya tete ari egbera igene. Mere mi ayale wa so de be anu nu be ni jalo. Ibe ati ari elelo akian ni ati afele. Biyo. Iwe mi atunu dameso ori mo ko manolo. Kaka gbogbo lo jan sense wa lo wa si di kekele. Wa lo wa si di kekele. Ebi ni kana awe sunu dama anago. Uwu ai bidia.
Vieni dai, giochiamo.
Catturiamo un po' di fantasmi.
Ari kwe maniwa, eya ido akwasa kwada. Ara monere ye tegifo. Eya didalo. Ara monere ye tegifo. Eya suluwe niana. Ara monere ye tegifo. Adewi na webesu. Ara monere ye tegifo. Ara monere ye tegifo. Iwademi sunu walojo esese na gbaku popama o na balewele jo popama o iyo ma esi o ma dikin era ma esi o ma dikin obi yama obewe ko na jamewe enegera gigi aidoye fiete na balewele jo obewe ko na esi o ma dikin ere ne je o edo ya pe ka we kese kana mi o ega na villera nia caga sale me uko caga sale me caga caga me ella agimie we ade pe moto no se we kade ye amo u ade pe we ye amo u owo mo ya de awe mi o awa mo ne me ye me o awa mo ne me ye me o ella di dago yi awa mo ne me ye me o our money ye megi wo. Gagu me kuyu, nudora mwikma solo me. Gagu me kuyu, nudora mwikma solo me. Usati we boss we nira wiye me, nudora lele me kuyu. Usati seri biame tike nudora lele me boko. Iya mo hame o, no ma oge baba o. Iya mo hame ma oge baba o. Ewe boss we nira wiye me, nudora lele me boko. Ọ̀sẹ̀kẹ̀dì o máa yá bí ó bẹ́rẹ̀ àwíyé wẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rọ́mẹ́tì kì í ní rẹ́ẹ̀kù yòó lúdò àlélẹ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́ bọ́ o. Gbogbo ọmọkùnrin àbàwẹ̀ rẹ́ẹ̀kù mẹ́kùnú lúdò àlélẹ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́ bọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀wẹ̀ bọ́sọ̀ ní ibi ọ̀mẹ́ lúdò àlélẹ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́ bọ́. Ọmọnù wẹ́ẹ̀wọ̀ ni yóò pọ̀ mẹ́ ṣé ẹ̀dìgbìn lọ́dọ̀ àwọn fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Ẹ̀mẹ́sọ̀ àjọmọ̀ yìí mi nẹ́ ọ̀yà áfíríkì ẹ̀rọ àdésìkù. Gbogbo ọmọkùnrin àfàwẹ̀ yóò kó. Gbogbo ọmọkùnrin àfàwẹ̀ yóò sí rẹ̀ o. Àṣetò. Gbogbo ọmọkùnrin àfànàkọ̀ má bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ebi o. Gbogbo ọmọkùnrin àfànàkọ̀ má bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ebi.
Kellogg's Extra Creations. Deliziosi agglomerati croccanti con cioccolato 70% cacao e
Waya wawese o re unfriendly friend wa begi huana obelele ruda ugwo seme oukin iya ga iwe nene mi ogwe ko gbere ya gbeje na osugbe ko ya afine o emeru gwa no ri agwa na ra iju gwa no ri agwa na mo gwa dame o se no guweri e baba no so wa la dia we wole e ba no le na eze de ri anola ola lo bola le hi ajo o always a deriri or say that's a friendly friendy or say necessity gbina nu ebi jeke or saying is a unfriendly friend. They said it been an webijeke. Or one emugwe was a kenoji, or na miege, or ne kitamu biawa. Or ne kitamu bio ho, mavini ata, or na wamu bio ho. A baba se very on their unfriendly friend. Or si we wete se kenoji, ye dolo wajiko when we are already ote yasunu, so quite yata. Where I wear be and be me now, hima. Say, Paul, I don't know if or say. I said, where I'm was where my where well, you now, dog who know where Becky. Of any self, you be had doubt over. Oh, man, I may take what's your enemy, not to win me. I tell my only me no pune money boomai. Only me money boomai, understand. So, while our unfriendly friend, Wagima, Lenny, and Ruda. Imo pomejo bonia de just to condemn you ni bouger but osaloboa ese no ge evi mosto sunu when I je call no male lo sekia o mani na je call dale lu ka osaloboa mosto review ma we evi so mosto sunu no ja kama we ga wo no manaki we manaki gbegbe ga ni evi nu ri mi ebo olorun gbon ugumu wa here wa we se gba bidamio. Yeah, but it's like 10 minutes. Every say 10 minutes because of our mama. No fija be Spain. Oh, imagine that one kind, but imagine jere mamia mia jeme the spirit will gumerema. So I have to talk about it and so that people will still because one if you not bebo here or you know, let me off this video and come in again because oh man, here doge on attack the ending no. Oh man, can you tell me a matter mommy the end. The start of Kenya but I have a big I made a big mistake. So I think people will pardon me for that. Thank you, man. Share the video. Subscribe to my YouTube, Ileledo Top Show, please. I beg all of you in the name of Jesus. If you love this program, you love Ileledo Top Show, when you know concerning array or get to subscribe. Like this time, wait till you subscribe. But one day you will go there and watch. Maybe when you or you have a picky way. That is the truth of the matter. While here we say I will 10 minutes or 5 minutes, I will come back again. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Good day. Okay, ma zek be nita be do me. La do no etita ma me okay azek be ba ya ta ebo. Wa gbon la dian tu wa ma ti ko ta. Ki azek be ba ya gbon ebo. Wa ki azek be o. La wa gege gbon me ebo. Nobody know ah. Wa ki azek be o. E do go wa ya gbon me be do. Gbon me ebo. Yeah, good evening, Noah. My mom understand, Sister Mary. Wagme, okay, azek bebe bo, ni mi na guatie, ni mi na guata. Okay, ba azek bebe, because you had just 5 minutes time again. Okay, azek bebe o, ba ya ta ebe do. Ba ya gbon ebe bo. See you later. Okay. Correct. Osas Sunday. Only anywhere, sha. And any man Omaran. They only say we are open. Let me find the video out. Maybe I am with the picture at the end because yeah. Okay, let me cut this and come in again. We'll see you later. Don't go. We want to talk about something very important.